Jessica Lombardo here with Iron Pros, and we are in the Komatsu booth outside at bauma 2022. I'm here with Peter Barrett, who is going to show us around the booth and some of the equipment that they have here featured at the show. So right now we're standing in front of the massive WA800. So Peter, tell us a little more about this piece of equipment.
Well, it's the latest incarnation of the machine. It weighs around 114, 115 tons, close to 1,000 horsepower. Picks up around 20 to 25 tons per pass and is used mainly in the mining and quarrying industry.
Great. Well, let's go take a look around at some of the other equipment they have. Now we are in front of the HD 785-8, which is one of the first pieces of equipment on the market for Komatsu. So Peter, tell me a little bit more about this one.
Well, this is the new version of the truck. There are, as it says inside here, 1,000 of the previous model. This is one of the first of the new model. It's a perfect match for the loader that we just described. It carries close to 100 tons and is a perfect match with 4 passes from the loader. Very, very popular, market leader in a lot of countries, and a very, very comfortable truck to drive.
Great. Let's go look around some more. All right, Peter, now we are in front of the WA475-10 material handler, and you were telling me about the kinematic system on this machine. So explain what that means and why it's important.
Traditionally, Komatsu use a Z-bar linkage for aggregate handling, which is very effective for what it does. But when it comes to material handling, as we see here with a timber grab, you need a much finer control and crowd force. So they've come up with this new design with a completely different kinematic design, which gives you much better fine control and it's ideally suited then for timber handling, as you'll see during the demonstration.
Great. We have a couple more machines to show you. So now we are standing in front of the PC490 HRD, which Peter was telling me is a very revolutionary machine. So right now it's set up as an excavator, but you can also add the high reach attachment for demolition. So tell me more about this machine.
Well, it's multifunctional, for one thing. You can use it as an excavator or a high-reach demolition machine. But what makes this machine revolutionary is that it's classed as a K100. Mm-hmm. And the K100 stands for that you can change from one set of equipment to the other in under 100 seconds.
Wow.
And nobody comes close. Nobody's even come anywhere near that.
So that really helps the contractor with their productivity.
Very, very much so.
Absolutely.
I mean, our closest competitors would be around maybe 25 minutes, some even like 2 hours.
And down to 100 seconds, that's incredible.
Yeah, that makes it a very, very versatile machine.
Great. Well, thank you, Peter. I think we're going to check out some of the mining equipment next. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Okay, so now we're standing in front of the PC4000 all-electric mining machine, and this is Marcel. So Marcel, tell us a little bit more about this piece of equipment.
Yeah, what you can see here is our PC4000, 400-ton operating weight and a power of 1,400 kilowatt. It is equipped with an electric motor, and instead of a diesel, it is much more environmental friendly. So.
Great. Well, we are going to be at bauma all week, so make sure you stop by the Komatsu booth and check out these pieces of equipment. Thank you.